Chris from WTI, and I want to tell you what I love about my incredibly versatile retro coffee table by Yusong. What I loved right away was this modern vintage look that I thought that this table brought to my space. I love that the open design really provides plenty of space for whatever kind of storage needs that I have, and even with the opportunity to display something on it in the living room. I love the aesthetic, and I find it works really well to keep the place clean and tidy. And we can store things both on it and in it, like our modem, in our entertainment center, things that we would want to be able to make use of. And in the cupboard itself, which I just love, we're able to store things that maybe aren't as appealing to be seen, but we still need access to. So I love that feature. I was really impressed by how durable and sturdy it was. The material, it's really well made. The canted legs are such a cool feature. I think they really add to the retro vibe of the whole look, and the finish is really smooth, easy to clean. It looks really good, so I'm so happy with the aesthetic of it. And that's my point of view.